This is a room tour of the Marriott Marquis. We have a king-size room. There's the bathroom sink. Very nice bathroom sink. Here's the mirror. Hi, it's me. Commode. Nice shower. Closet over here. Oh, light comes on when you open it. An ironing board, things to hang, a safe, which is nice. Full-length mirror over here. Phone. Here's the bed. Very nice bed. Very spacious. Fridge and a coffee maker in here. Ice bucket, television, some drawers, a sleeper sofa over here, decorating over here, and we're in Times Square. We don't have a Times Square view per se, but I would say we have a Times Square view of a sign that says Times Square.
And you can see and hear the whole
There's the thing, yeah. There's the tickets booth down there. This is really cool. We should just tell them to, I'll like run down and grab them.
Yeah.
And that's it. Oh, there's some more buildings. This is a really nice room, really cool view. I'm very happy.
Here's our pretty wife. 4th anniversary. So it's the 4th anniversary here. We're here in New York City, going to see a show with Alyssa and Nelson, our current friends. Maybe in the future too. We'll have to see. And that'll be good. You can see. Let's go see all the shows we saw.
Oh my god. I saw Harry Potter.
Okay, we're starting with a little shop. We saw that one. What else is there? That's it. That's the only advertisement for a show I can see. Harry Potter, we didn't see. It's over there. Leah saw it. We're in the hotel, and we're watching Leah walk down the hotel. Woo, 4-year anniversary.